Hey, I'm Matt. I'm a mechatronics engineering student who's been obsessed with building things ever since I was a kid. I made robotic arms, go-karts, and even a 3D printable rocket engine. But this summer I'm doing something different. Every day I'm waking up, hitting record, and building something new. With nothing but an idea, my laptop, and AI as my co-pilot. We call it vibe coding. It's not traditional coding. I'm not starting from a blank file and writing everything line by line. Instead I prompt AI, copy, paste, tweak, break things, fix them, and keep going. Vibe coding is about letting creativity lead and letting AI handle the grunt work. It's fast, messy, and honestly kind of magic. This series isn't a tutorial, it's not polished, it's a behind the scenes look at the process of creating something from nothing, every single day. Some days I'll build tools, other days I'll experiment, explore, or just mess around with an idea that makes me curious. The goal? To build momentum, to get better, to push limits, and to prove that with the tools we have today, anyone with the right mindset and consistency can ship stuff fast. So if you're into AI, coding, or just enjoy watching someone make cool stuff with no roadmap, you're in the right place. This is Vibe Coding.
It's day 4, guys. I'm tired. Last night I didn't get to bed till 1. As I knew today's Mother's Day, by the way. Happy Mother's Day. And I knew I wouldn't get much work done because I'm hanging out with the family. So I thought I'd put in a couple hours before I went to bed. And a couple hours turned it a bit longer than I thought. But I know I'm suffering for it.
I was really hoping to do a run today, but my legs are kind of sore. I'm supposed to go on a run with a friend tomorrow. So today it's more like a light walk, and we're stretching before the walk because we're getting old. So hopefully I don't hurt my leg anymore. Okay, so I made some good progress last night. I'm going to show you what I got done. Okay, so here we are. I mostly made improvements to the UI. So I'll show you that in a second once we get logged in here. Okay, so if I go into lesson, now it looks a lot cleaner, the UI looks better. I can publish and unpublish it over here. I can change all the things. I can add quizzes to the lessons. I can add what is the right one, change up that, do all that, and of course save and delete. And then if I go into create, I also have the same functionality as before, except for just the GUI looks a lot better. And of course you can add multiple questions as well. Fill it all in, then that would light up and you can set it.
Okay, the plan for today is to figure out why the lessons that were created in the Creator app are not showing up in the user version of SkillStack. This probably has something to do with like the databases and control for that, but I'm gonna look into that and see if I can get that sorted out. Okay, I'm going to set up the apps into the App Store, at least get them ready to apply for being approved to the App Store. It will just help make the testing a little easier if I have an app that's actually out there, and rather than like sending data that is just for development, now I can actually send lessons that are set for deployment and actually test out those features. So let me try this. It worked, guys. It worked. I can't believe this. It worked. Let's go. I'm so excited. Who needs adrenaline when you got coding, right? What am I saying? Who needs it? I'm excited. You don't know how excited I am. This is a good day. Okay, right now I'm uploading the newest code to the web to Apple Connect. So we'll see if it gets approved and it gets up there. Should. Don't see any issues with that. Okay, now we're going to run the app once again. Okay, let me explain what's happening. So I've made the app, and right now it's being hosted on App Store Connect, which is basically how you release apps out into the App Store. They also have this subsidiary thing called Test Flight, where it allows you to basically beta test your apps with people you know or you like have reliable testing or just internal on your teams before actually full-scale releasing it to the App Store. So currently my app is in the App Store Connect. It hasn't been approved to go on the App Store yet, but I am able to do the test flight beta testing. And so I just sent a new release of the creator version and the user version, and I'm just going to update it on my phone. So I'll click that right there. That's updating. And then I'm going to update the one on my computer now. So I'm going to do that. Okay, let me show you app. I think you're gonna like this. Move this down a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna launch my creator app. Bring that window over here. Like so. Of course, we sign in. At the same time, I'll also sign in onto my phone for the basic app. So I'm gonna open this one right here. No lessons, perfect. That's exactly how we have it. So I'm going to enter the manager code, which is just M for now. And as you can see, we have no lessons. Perfect. None are showing on the app either, so this is all right. Then I go to create, and I go to lesson 1, app dev element. To build an app, you should first ... Perfect. I'll add this to machine learning. Analytics. Apps are fun. Yes. No. Perfect. Okay. And yes, the proper one. So it's not for approval. We can create other if we want to, but for now. Okay, so now we're in review. Go to the review page, and it shows up there. Perfect. So I can click that. And let's just say I want to make some more changes. First, come up with a plan. So as a manager, I can edit these things. You can see I have manager access right now. I can go to my profile. See over there. But I'll go back in a second. It's not important. You can save that, and then publish as well. So publish, disappears from review. It should show up in published. Amazing. Okay, it's there. Now, you do have to restart the app. Or you don't have to restart it, but it just takes a while to get refreshed. So that's why I like to restart it. So click skill stack, and there it is. Our app is in here. To build an app, you should first come with a plan. Perfect. If I select yes, get a check mark, complete lesson, and we got one. And I can see more on the trends page. Like so. Still some bugs. I don't know why there's 2 here, but you can like them and it'll show up in your favorites, all that good stuff, and you can see it again. Yeah, we're making progress.
Okay, I found a new bug and I'm going to show it to you guys. So I've been having duplicates show up, and I figured out where that's coming from. If I go here, I can publish it, and it's all good. It'll remove itself from review and put itself in published. And likewise for unpublished, it works great. Should refresh. There, it's gone, and it's back in review. But if I toggle this button here, then, and I save it, well, it still keeps itself in review, and now it's also published. So I just gotta iron out the kinks there, fix that, and we should be good with that. So that's another bug I found, and there's just lots and lots of these. So let's get back to it now. Okay, I think we're gonna call it a day there. They work, they sync together. Definitely a bunch of bugs still in it, especially with like profiles and bringing in the data and exporting it across the two apps. Even just saving it to this stuff, it's been a pain. But they work together, that's what matters. Authors day fit check.